I'm going to show you how to go from this to this.
What's going on YouTube? It's been a minute, but I'm back to make another video. As you can see, we got the C20 behind me. The frame is what we're going to be dealing with today. As you can see, it's pretty rusty, pretty dirty, but I'm going to do my best to try to restore it. I'm going to give you a quick walk around and show you what we're dealing with and then what I'm going to be using to try to restore it. Alright y'all, this is what the frame's looking like. It's got quite a bit of rust all the way around, and especially on the insides, it's pretty dirty. So I'm gonna make sure to hit it with the pressure washer before we do anything, just to get rid of all that dirt. And then I'll see what it's looking like after that, and I'll get back with y'all. I tried my best using the pressure washer to get the dirt off, and I think it did a pretty good job. All I need to do right now is just wait for it to dry, and then we'll hit it with a wire brush. After I wire wheeled it, I went ahead and wiped it down with some fast drying degreaser just to get rid of any contaminants left. And then for the primer, I used Rust-Oleum's 2-in-1 Automotive primer. And I also made sure to cover up the wheels and the tires just so I don't get any overspray on them.
Before I hit it with a third coat, I hit it with some Scotch-Brite just to clean things up.
Alright y'all, this is how the frame came out after 3 coats of primer. There is a little bit of pitting if you get real close, but overall looking pretty smooth. Show you the other side. Yeah, as you see, the pitting's pretty bad, like on the top and towards the ends, but overall pretty clean.
Before I hit it with any paint, I went ahead with 320 on the DA just to smooth things out. And for the paint, I'm gonna be using Rust-Oleum semi-gloss enamel.
All right, y'all, I just finished with the last coat of paint. It came out way better than I expected. I'm gonna give y'all a quick walk around with how it turned out. All right, so this is what it's looking like. It came out pretty nice. The pitting's still gonna stay because I didn't feel like getting too deep into the metal to get rid of that, but it came out pretty flat. I'm not disappointed at all with how much money I put into it. As you can see, it came out pretty flat. And with the shackles and hangers, I didn't want to get too involved in that, as well as the leaf springs, because I'm going to be working on those in another video. I'm thinking about getting a longer hanger to create a lower axle, and then I'm going to be taking out some of the leaf springs to make the axle lower too. And other than that, I'm not disappointed at all with how it came out. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm really happy with how it turned out with it being a 50-year-old truck. But other than that, I'll see y'all in the next one.